Hello Rose and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you some tips and tricks that you can implement to increase the traffic to your website. So let's get into this. So the first thing that I want to talk about is content. So content is anything that you have on your website, text, videos or images. So right now your front page is looking really good. So you have different click to call buttons for each of the three locations that you serve, pictures and testimonials and the contact details. So it's really easy to reach out to you. Let's have a look in terms of the amount of content. So right now you have 742 words on the front page. Let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Door Service, they have 562 words for their landing page for Vancouver, and A1 Garage Door Service, they have 1,906 words for their landing page in Vancouver. So perhaps something that to look at into perhaps including more relevant content related to Vancouver, to this service area, to include in your front page. I came here to Google search and I type in garage door repair Vancouver, Washington, because it's buyer intent keyword, and it's basically what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. And Google actually shows us three things. So the first thing is the Google Ads, or the first section is the Google Ads, which can be really good at driving traffic, but the flip side is that they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, and some people have the ability to turn them off in their browser. So they just skip them altogether. Now, the second section is the Google Maps, which are having a massive impact on businesses because they are being able to drive 40% of the traffic. So you really want to be at the top of the Google Map packs. Now, to rank at the top, you need three things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on any directory. So Yellow Pages, Triple B, all of those. And they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify your details and can give you those top positions. Now, the third section is the organic search. And to rank at the top, you need backlinks. And backlinks, to analyze that, we actually use a tool called Ahrefs that shows us the back end of the website. And right now, it's showing me that your website has 9,000, well, now 9,600 backlinks in 227 referring domains, and those are links on other websites that are directing traffic to yours. Now you have a look at Precision. They currently have at the landing page just for Vancouver, they have 15 backlinks in 9 referring domains, and A1 Garage Door, they have 12 backlinks in 10 referring domains. I filter here, and this is what I wanted to show you, the organic keywords, because you're obviously ranking at the top for Portland, but for example, for Vancouver, I filter for Vancouver, so those buyer intent keywords, and you can see here in this dashboard, these are the keywords, and this dashboard is showing me the search volume for these keywords per month. And this is the position that you're appearing in the Google search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that Google, that no one is looking at you. And the important thing here is that you want to target as many keywords as you can, because that means that you're going to be in front of more people more often, or your website is going to be in front of more people more often. So for example, just looking at Garage Doors Vancouver, 200 people search for that on a month, but you are on the 24th position. Garage Door Repair Vancouver, 150 per month, you are in the 23rd position. Let's have a look at Precision Door. They are, for the landing page for Vancouver, look at this one, Garage Door Repair Vancouver, the search volume is 600 and they are second. Garage Door Repair Vancouver, 150, they are third. Garage Doors, 150, and they're in the second position. Garage Doors, 200, and they're in the fifth position. A1 Garage Door, they are ranking for 45 keywords, and they are targeting Garage Door Repair Vancouver, 600, third position. Garage Door Repair, first position. Garage Door Installation Vancouver, first position. So The message here is that you want to target as many keywords as you can, because being in front of more people means that a percentage of those people are going to click on that link of the website. A percentage of those are going to reach out, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert those uh, into customers and increase your revenue. So that's the importance of having and increasing the traffic to your website, because that means more traffic translates into more customers and more revenue. So if you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to arrange a more in-depth consultation with me. My name is Viviana. My contact details are at the bottom of this email. The only thing that I ask in return is feedback on the content of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.